One of the largest, end unit with open space, 2 garages, 3 levels townhouse with a full deck at the best location in Fountain Hills. Brick front and fenced back. 9-foot ceiling of 3 levels, 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Fireplace. Gourmet kitchen west/large center island, custom 42 inches cabinetry, granite countertops. Morning room/breakfast area off kitchen. Upper level laundry. Hardwood floor. Enjoy spacious owner's suite with a large walk-in closet and an owner's bath with a soak-in tub and a separate shower. 2 secondary bedrooms and an additional full bathroom await upstairs as well. The finished walkout basement offers bright rec area with an upgraded full bathroom. Highly rated schools. Amenities that Fountain Hills has to offer that includes outdoor pool with clubhouses, parks, multiple tot lots and more. Conveniently located close to I-270, shopping, restaurants, Clarksburg Premium Outlets and much more.